This tutorial will show you how to set up your Office account and download Office to your computer. Before we start, log into your LCC student Gmail account. Then, go to the LCC homepage at lowercolumbia.edu. Click Current Students at the top of the page, then select Technical Help for Students from the bottom of the list. Select Microsoft Office 365 Help from the left-hand menu. Then, click the Get Office 365 link. Enter your LCC email address and click Get Started. Then, select the I'm a Student option. Enter your name and choose a password. This password is not connected to your LCC passwords. A 6-digit code was sent to your student email address. Enter that code in the verification code field, then press Start. On the Invite More People screen, press Skip at the bottom of the page. Next, you'll be asked to set up an authentication phone number or email address to prevent you from losing access to your account. When you select an option, another verification code will be sent to that phone number or email address. You can choose to set up both the recovery email address and phone number, but just one will do. I've chosen to get my code by text message by clicking Set It Up Now next to the authentication phone option. Enter your code and click Verify. Click Finish to move on. At this point, you'll be logged into your Office account. You can use the web app versions of the Office suite without installing anything on your computer by clicking on the product you want. To install Office, click Install Office in the upper right, then select the first option, Office 365 Apps. This next step will vary depending on your web browser and operating system. For most users, follow the on-screen prompts to complete your setup, selecting the downloaded file and clicking Run to get started. When Office is installed, remember to log in using your LCC email address and the password you set when you created your account. That's it. You're done.